Get in, meaning to enter a vehicle or a place. She gets in the car to go to school. Get out, meaning to leave a vehicle or a place. Get out of the room before I count to 3. Get up, meaning to rise from bed or a sitting position. I usually get up early to have breakfast. Get ready, meaning to prepare for something. We need to get ready for the school play. Get along, meaning to have a good relationship with someone. The siblings get along very well. Get over, meaning to recover from an illness or a setback. It took her a while to get over the flu. Get through, meaning to finish or complete a task. We need to get through this homework before dinner. Get by, meaning to manage or survive with what is available. In tough times, we learn to get by with less. Get off, meaning to stop doing something or to disembark from a vehicle. Please get off the phone. Dinner is ready. Get along with, meaning to have a harmonious relationship with someone. She always gets along well with her classmates. Get back, meaning to return to a place. We'll get back home after the vacation. Get on, meaning to board a vehicle or to have a good relationship with someone. We should get on the bus before it leaves. Get out of, meaning to avoid doing something. Don't try to get out of doing your chores. Get off to, meaning to start or begin something. Let's get off to a good start this school year. Get around, meaning to move from place to place. In the city, it's easy to get around using public transportation. Get together, meaning to meet with friends or family. Let's get together for a picnic next weekend. Get in on, meaning to become involved in something. I want to get in on the new club at school. Get lost, meaning to not know where you are. I took a wrong turn and got lost in the unfamiliar neighborhood. Get off the hook, meaning to avoid punishment or responsibility. He tried to get off the hook for breaking the vase, but his mom found out. Get the hang of, meaning to understand or master something. It takes time, but eventually you'll get the hang of riding a bike. Get by with, meaning to manage or cope with a difficult situation using available resources. During the camping trip, we had to get by with limited food supplies. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy wordsmithing. Thanks for watching.